Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present my Creole sausage and eggs. This is one of my favorite one-pot recipes. With a zesty tomato cream sauce and just a hint of spice, this recipe offers a perfect balance for any breakfast, brunch, or dinner. Let's get started. To a skillet on medium-high heat, add 8 ounces of loose breakfast sausage. Cook until brown, breaking it up into little pieces as it cooks. When done, remove the sausage to a paper towel-lined plate to drain. Using the same skillet, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Now add some diced green onions, celery, and bell pepper. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until softened. Add some minced garlic and cook for about 30 seconds more. To the vegetables, add 2 cups of original V8 tomato juice. Now add salt, ground black pepper, oregano, some dried basil, garlic powder, just a little bit of red pepper flakes, some prepared horseradish, and finally a little heavy cream. Give a mix to combine. Let come to a simmer and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes to allow all the flavors to come together. To help thicken our sauce, we'll mix in 1 large egg yolk. Now return the cooked sausage to the sauce and give a mix to coat. Now the sausage and sauce serves 4, but you can cook as many eggs per serving as you like. Here on the right you'll see I'm doing 2 eggs per serving on some, and on the left only 1. The choice is completely up to you. Season the eggs with a little salt and a little black pepper. Now cover and cook. Here's another choice for you. If you like your yolks a little runny, cook for about 7.5 minutes. If you prefer a more cooked yolk, about 8.5 to 9 minutes. Plate in a shallow dish or bowl. Add a little dried parsley for garnish, and enjoy. There you have it, folks, my Creole sausage and eggs. The perfect recipe for any breakfast, brunch, or dinner. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.